This 2023 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen 378 Florida is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new Forest River is 43 feet 6 inches in length and features 5 slideouts, sleeps 8, smoke detector, TV, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, CO detector, water heater, stove top burner, air conditioning, external shower, LP detector, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front living area, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen 378 Florida is 11,589 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.